Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to disassemble a HTC Touch Diamond 2 because, well, apparently this phone has been opened before. I don't know by who, and honestly I don't care. And probably just cleaned it or swapped the parts, but I do not like that on inside the display. Let me try to... Can I adjust? Nothing. Great. But it has marks left from where it was cleaned. I don't know if you can see it, but I can clearly see it, and basically it needs a cleanup inside the screen. So that's what I'm going to do today. The phone works otherwise, it's not having problems. And I hope I'm not gonna give it problems now. Right, so sliding up. Torque screws. Alright, maybe, I hope it's something easy to do. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. I will be needing this and this. So let's begin. Yeah, it's the same screws everywhere, which is good. Now, if I'm looking here, I would say it has these clamps. Am I right or am I wrong? Yep, I'm right. I haven't disassembled a HTC like this one before. It's the first time. So I'm taking baby steps. Okay. Just pulling here. Alright, it's out. Stereo speakers, no. Well, this button fell. Not a problem. What I do have to do is take this out. Well, this is the camera. How is it held here? It's glued. So, okay. Well, that metal thingy. And right here are some connectors, of which I must be careful. So, pulling this side up and this side up. And what's this? Easily disconnected this one. Is this button removable from here? No, it's not. Oh, another cable. Okay. Another connector on the top here. Any other connectors? Doesn't look like it. Ah, I think there's no need for me to take that one out. Alright, it's out. This is the microphone. Yeah, so I can actually put this lock in place. Alright. Now for the screen. Let me take the volume buttons out so I don't have any issues with it. Yeah, this clearly has been opened before, but again, I don't mind. Oh wow. Just want to clean the screen because I want it to look good, you know. And here we have it. See, it has dust particles inside. One of the problems, and the other, again, I don't think you can see it. It has dried spots, you know. So this is the Digitizer and that's the display. Okay, I'm gonna have to blow some air on it. This is gonna fly off definitely, so Yeah. I'm gonna use a wet wipe with isopropylic alcohol to be sure of it. Ugh, the smell, I forgot about it. Okay. I'm thinking the touchscreen was replaced by looking at the adhesive spots. And I don't mind. Well, how do you know it was dirty? The only thing I mind is that it was dirty. And it was basically screaming in my face, look at me, I'm dirty. Okay, now let's try to dry it up. Looks good, at least now. Okay, it doesn't appear to have any more dried dirt inside. I have to clean the exterior as well. Also need to clean this mat, but after the holidays. Tomorrow it's Easter and here I am disassembling and cleaning a phone. Well, it's a hobby, it's not a work, so shouldn't be a problem. At least that's what I'm lying to myself. Okay, I think it's good enough. Just to be safe. One last look and... Okay, the screen looks as clear as it can be. Now for the display, just give it a quick clean. It doesn't appear to be that dirty, but it has those annoying dust particles that stick to it, you know, and won't come off just by blowing air on it. See? Some dust particles still remain attached to it. Physics. It's dirtier than ever. Mother! Okay, I used a different cloth and I managed to clean it off camera, because that's how it happens. All the good things are off camera. Right, let me... how was it like this? Yeah. How does it look now? Hey, look at this. One cute little dust particle did manage to get through, and it still looks dirty on some corner here. Which corner is that? On the screen or on the touch screen? On the touch screen, of course, of course. Like right here. I would say it's good enough. It will remain like this. Still a dust particle managed to get through. What's going on here? Man, it's a curse cleaning the screens. I knew that. Finally. Done. Now, to put it back together. And let me see what fell down. Get in position here. Okay. Yeah, these are not as simple as they look. Right. Oh, wait, before I... Oh, there's also the volume buttons that flew off. How was it? I think like this it was. Yeah, like this. I do have to connect this cable here. Maybe I can manage it now. What's holding you here? Oh, nothing. All right. I need to push it a bit more. Let me just make sure. No, it doesn't go more than this. Okay. Now here. Connected. And the display. Again, how it looks. Good, that's how it looks. Better at least. Now you. I can clean the camera when it's inside, but still it's more accessible now. Okay. Okay. Now one more button up here. That's where it's supposed to go. Okay. Ah, the rubber got disintegrated. Okay. Yeah, it's like this. Giving it a good old little extra clean before reassembling it. Out of curiosity, can I put this back now or I can put it then? Ah, I can put it later. Yeah. Alright, let's make a sandwich. So, it's pressing, okay. I'm gonna put the top screws to be done with them. Now for the bottom ones. Okay. So it goes in like so. And click in place. All right. Well, the most logical thing to do right now is to turn it on to make sure that it works. So let me get the battery right here. Yeah, the cover is clean, good. Still giving it just a teensy weensy little polish here. Clicked. Let's turn it on. Well, hopefully turn it on. Yeah, I think this work pad of mine got too dirty. I'll let it turn on. Okay. Trying to press on the screen. Oh, it's working, I think. Good. Alright, it's working fine. Wait, is the camera working? Yes, it is. Oh, that's what the autofocus is, eh? I took a picture, great. Now I wanted to see if I have a setting or something, but I don't. Anyway, the phone works. That's all I wanted to see. Cleanup complete. Oh, the vibration. So let me turn it off. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow, and share it with your friends. It helps a lot, and thank you very much. And until then, I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Bye. Actually, before I put it in the box, this is kind of the box that lets a lot of dust particles out of it. Alright, next time is gonna be a presentation. Yeah, okay, bye.